successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading for the weekly successful trading alerts review. Yeah, that's how we have to call this. So this is week 11. If you have been following us, let's go ahead on here and show you how we did, because that's what you come here for. I mean, for some of the subscribers, this week is nothing shy of amazing, but me, I couldn't be. It's not about me, folks, but for me, it's not about me, it's absolutely not about me. My satisfaction comes from seeing traders make money, and when trade works like they work this week, namely on Thursday and Friday, I can just kick back and just really actually, yeah, this whole screen, there's actually it is not representative of all of our trade. I'm missing one here. I just realized that as this document was put together minutes ago. In any case, folks, we had alerts to start the week. We had about 15, yeah, and then was it well, actually, why are we starting on this? Well, the summary will be like here. So what did we do on week 11? Average move per trade on this on this week, successful trading alerts was 7.3%, 88.9% win loss. You know how we measure our win loss. Hey, Mr. Luis, I gave you the access to the Discord. I still haven't seen you. So, sir, I know we have been exchanging. Again, Mr. Luis and I, we're like this. So he has access to the Discord. We are waiting for him. So 88%. But I mean, these numbers, they will not tell you the whole story, yeah? Because that's what's when people are like, what's your average move per trade? I explained last time over. We're gonna go to the detail, which briefly showed that to you and actually see some of the trade, my friend, which means that I could give you an average of 1% of 0.5% on here and still have an amazing week. So for us, 7.3%, you could be thinking, oh, the number is down. So that means, do you know how many 10 baggers we got this week? Could you care to guess? 1? Nope. 2? Nope. 3? Nope. 4? Warmer. I think 5. Yeah, we're gonna show them to you. So our watch list, let's keep things going on here. So our alert system came last week. So this is the July 14 expiration. This was the July 7 expiration. This is what it looks like. Alibaba did great for us in the beginning of the week, I think. Yeah, it's so forgotten. I mean, by Thursday, my friend, nobody was remembering Alibaba, but it was decent. So somewhere in the week, so we had this, right? So then somewhere in the week, not somewhere, on Monday. This is the close on Monday, folks. Can we have the timeline here? Yes, 12:41. This is Pacific time, yeah? So 19 minutes to the end of the session, we got this alert. Yeah. August 7, 81 calls for AMD. What did you think happened? AMD traded as high as $86, folks. Yeah, 10 bagger was an understatement. Way more than that. Yeah, well, if you missed on that, no problem. Yeah, if you were one of our traders, then on the 5th, which was Wednesday. So this is close on Monday. So expiration on the 7th, folks. Amazing stuff. If you have no idea what that meant, just figure that hey, if we are trading the 81 call on AMD and the stock is at $86 something a day later, yeah, my friend, yeah, $5 in the money. Yeah, big 10 bagger. But in any case, we had 3 more alerts, and one of which just went bananas. Facebook, yeah. And for us, it was an alert for next week. But because of how we trade, because we know this system, we take advantage of it. This colossal big move here, my friend. Should we highlight it? Yeah, you can use your, if you want, Alex, you can use your callouts if you have any. So here, yeah. So, so say, well, what do we usually say? We're gonna say that $100 investment. No, never Telex, don't go there. $100 investment here. Can you spell investment? You want it to say entry. That's what your problem is. Invested here. Telex, come on, man. Invested here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to do this because copy and then paste call out, and then we want to move that color. Can we give it a different color, please? Thank you. You want yellow? No, yellow doesn't gel. Pink, Telex, come on now. Green? Yeah, green is good. My friend, somewhere here. Yeah. How much do you think that it was? Okay, I want number. Try to guess, folks. I'm not trying to waste your time. So actually now I need to do the calculation in my head, folks. It was a 51 bagger. Then, yeah, you could be saying, well, what? Yes. So we multiply that amount by 51. So 51 bagger. So, okay, for all intent and purpose, 50 bagger. So 500, actually more than that, 500, 200% gain. So, yeah, that's what transpired. It's not invested. So profits, easier said than done. Can I remove this? Yeah, profits. Okay. Profits here. Facts, folks. Facts. Yeah? So let's show you. We actually has one of our traders kindly share that with us. If I could get there. This is live, folks, so you'll just bear with me as okay, here we go. Okay, well, in any case, at the time of the 5,000% profit loss, okay, on Facebook. And that wasn't the only person to do that, folks. A lot of our traders get into the 10 bagger for the first time because it was one of those days the stock market was moving, or the stock that we were trading were moving, so Facebook namely, and we had Mr. Juice, aka reigning trader of the month. 257.5 calls from 49 cents to $5.46, 1,001% win. Oh, my friend Jack from Kuala Lumpur the other way around, from Nebraska via Kuala Lumpur. 10 bagger, and the reaction is priceless. His first 10 bagger, yeah. So it was it was everybody was okay. Miss Lorraine from Canada representing, yeah. Facebook 280 call, all the way to 1,500% win. So yes, folks, to say that we had a great week is an understatement. You can see the video we posted, the daily market video on Friday, the reaction of the traders in there. So go check it out. Here we have the detail, the breakdown, right, stock by stock, for you. First, the main takeaway on here was just really, hey, the alerts work greatly. I mean, some traders, when they say, oh, Telex, the alerts worked great this week, I was like, okay, sure. So McDonald was a 10 bagger. So here very quickly, which one was a 10 bagger? This one, because it had earning, I'm not so sure. Yeah, it went up 13%. You made a lot of money, obviously, on here before the earnings. It was going up, but they were expensive, and typically we try not to trade them. AMD was the first bagger. Oh, the first 10 bagger of the week was actually Microsoft. Yeah, I only had a high of 6.8. Believe it or not. So we had traders who took that trade on Friday, by Friday. So overnight on Monday, they already were in the game. So it paid. So Microsoft was a 10 bagger. We know that AMD was a 10 bagger. Facebook was a 50 bagger. So does that count like 5 10 baggers? I don't know, folks. I don't know. Roku had earnings. Some of us, we traded Roku late on Friday on both directions, just a thing of beauty. FedEx was a 10 bagger, folks, on this case. So Microsoft, AMD, McDonald's, Yes, that was a 10 bagger. Facebook, obviously, and FedEx, a 10 bagger. These were the 10 bagger out of our alerts. For us, we also trade it. We had this trade now we call a day trading gangster strategy. We will be teaching you all about that, the rest of the internet. And this is something that we are going to perfect, folks. And when we come back to it and start showing you the results, if you caught yesterday daily market recap, we gave you a preview of that. So we haven't written the blog article yet. Maybe if we get there, just been busy this day today on here. So this is how our week went. Week 11 went at successful trading. We are currently working on the next set of alerts for next week. The traders already have it, actually. You may have seen a question on the. So you want to see some of the reaction in our 10 bagger section. On here, everybody was just okay. This is the first time that people were using GIFs. So okay. And this one, do you like this one? Awesome of the like and really. It was great. Yeah, Mr. Spark City. Come on, folks. This is how it's done at its best. 4 cents contract. It's not me, right? I posted. Have I gone 4 cents before? Mr. Spaxit is breaking record here. Future doctor. I did 5 cents. Was it 2 or 3 weeks ago on SPY? Right? It did 4. So hey, I see your 5 cents. Let me show you 4 cents contract that I turned into a 10 bagger. Yes, sir. So how low can we go? So the next question on here that's is really being there are murmurs, yeah, a brouhaha, if you will, is hey Tex, you have a 10 baggers room, but where do some folks gonna be posting the 20 baggers, the 30 baggers, or the 50 baggers? They don't belong in the 10 baggers room. That's a good problem to have. Would you like to join us, have a similar type of problem, or would you like to just come one of these days and see how we do it from inside of our trading room? So please, if you find value in the content on here, subscribe off to our YouTube. And if you like to take your trading to the next level, find a way to get your subscription to Successful Trading Alerts. Until then, we wish you a great weekend. We know we're having a great weekend with some of the traders. I've spoken with some that had the one-on-one coaching this morning. Everybody is smiling from ear to ear. Would you like to continue missing out? The choice is yours. Thank you for your time, and we catch you on the next episode of our weekly Successful Trading Alert Performance Review. Bye-bye. Hello.